What? Why are you looking at me like that? Do I look terrible? Well, I'm sorry. I didn't want you to be afraid of me. Well, that's fate. I didn't want this to happen to me. I was a normal person before that incident. I don't want to talk about it.
Ha ha ha, hi. How did you end up here? This is my home. Only I know the way here. Well, you be my food now. Ha ha ha. I'm very hungry.
Who's here? I heard someone. Come out, don't be afraid. I won't hurt you. Come on, come out. I said come out. All right, you asked for it. Now you have a reason to hide. Ha ha ha, that's it. Come out, baby. I won't hurt you. I promise you, everything will be fine.